Welcome to my channel. As you can see, the Maytag washing machine has a transmission problem. We can face this problem in every top-load washing machine. The connector in the middle of the transmission melts and sticks to the impeller on top. It is very difficult to remove it from there. And so, as you can see, we increase our budget a little and cut out that impeller. I tell you that changing the transmission is not an easy task at all. In fact, people want to watch such videos and fix it themselves. But I recommend that they entrust such work only to professionals, because there can be dangers during cutting. And in addition, if you do not place the transmission correctly when installing it yourself, it will start to leak water. Only entrust your appliances to professionals for this work.